Hi, this is Shilpa from Mumbai. I did this course of Hooponopono by Shweta, and this was just an amazing course. It's full of positivity. This is a solution for me where I'm looking for things, tools to come out of my negativity, and this was just that. It came bang on time when on my journey of healing I was looking for things and I found Shweta. This course was just amazing. The insight that it gave me was just beautiful. It taught me how to go into the inner world and correct self for correcting things outside world.